What's going on, YouTube? Do a review on this bug zapper electric insect killer lamp. Sorry for my boy, I'm getting a little sick right now. Just some brush, some foam. I don't know what that is, but it's my first time getting one of these. So there you go. So the bottom, so I'm thinking the bugs, you can see the unlock and lock. So when the bugs all die in here and drop down, I guess that's what the brushes and stuff for. And here you go, you could dump it out. Like I said, it's the brushes and whatever these, I think. So I guess this clip in there. I think, I'm not sure, but yeah. So you want to lock it back till you hear the click, like that. Oh, it's about to fall. Okay, sorry. Clicked it in, now it's locked. So yeah, ComLife. About to plug it in to the outlet, and there you have it. Bug zapper. Let me hold it up for y'all. So that's what it looks like from the ComLife bug electric insect killer within 50 square meters effective. So yeah, I got this on Amazon. If you looking to get one, cause your area's full with bugs and whatever, mosquito, and try to get one of these. I guess I'm gonna test it out when I get to Cambodia, cause that's a lot of bugs out there. I want to see how effective this works. But this is just a show, open box review real quick. But stay tuned. Check out the next video within a couple weeks. I'll be having this in Cambodia and zapping some bugs.